Hi there everybody, it's Lynnea here for Miss Ink Stamps and welcome to Sneak Peek Week. I am sneaking for you the new Blossoming Brushes stamp set. So I've already stamped and cut out a few of the images from the stamp set, and we're just going to color them together and then create a quick and easy slimline card. So I stamped out the large paintbrush, and I'm just going to color this like a traditional paintbrush. So the handle is going to be brown, then I'll have some grays for the metal portions in the middle, and then an even lighter brown for the bristles. As I color, I just want to remind you that the release does go live in the Miss Ink Stamp Shop tomorrow, and there are going to be a bunch of new stamps for you. I hope you've been enjoying Sneak Peek Week here on YouTube as well as on Instagram, and that you found some goodies that you need to add to your stash. So I finished up coloring the handle. Now I'm going to go on to using some cool grays to color the metal band around the center of the paintbrush. I'm using C5, C3, C2, and C1 for that color combination. I like to start with my dark marker and work towards my light markers. I find that that is the easiest way to get a lot of dimension and depth of color. But like I always say, color how you are most comfortable, color how you learn to color. I learned to color with my dark marker first and then working my way down towards my light markers. I used E30s for my paintbrush handle, and so for my bristles I'm going to use the E50 family. So I just started with E55 and then I used E51 and E50 to blend that out just a little bit. Now there is this little paint drip portion that I'm going to color up using some blue-green markers. I used BG15, 13, and 34 for that. The idea that I had for my card was to have my paintbrush at the top of my slimline card panel and then just have like a swipe of paint going down across the bottom of my card. So to mimic that, I used a Salvaged Patina Distress Oxide ink pad and just used the edge, swiped back and forth a couple times, and added that paint swipe mark. I did come in as well with some peacock feathers and added some portions of darker color. And then for some texture and a little bit more, just something extra, I'm using my Gold Shimmer watercolor. I loaded that up with some water and then filled up my brush and then flicked that gold watercolor onto my panel. Now I'm just going to start adding the rest of my images in. I did not keep the coloring for the flowers on camera, but I just used my R20 markers for the flowers, my I think I used Y08, Y06 for the yellows, and then YG06, YG03 for the leaves. Colored those really simply, cut them out. Now I'm just going to arrange everything on my slimline card panel. I have my paintbrush at the top, flowers at the bottom, and then the sentiment that says "You inspire me" going right across that paintbrush. This is a really easy card to make, but I think it's classy and beautiful and really showcases that new Blossoming Brushes stamp set coming tomorrow from Miss Ink Stamps. I finished off the card with some matching baubles that match that paint swipe color, and that's it. I matted this onto a piece of teal cardstock and finished off this easy slimline card. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Thank you again very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more from me, please hit that subscribe button that is on the screen now. And here are a few other videos that I thought you might enjoy.